Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Fortnite on the Xbox with your main account. This is necessary because the console treats the first signed player as host. Once the game reaches the lobby, turn on the second controller and press it to join, sign in, or use a guest account if needed. Make sure you and the second player are visible in the lobby list, because split screen cannot begin until both controllers are actively assigned and detected by the console. Once both controllers are connected, choose a compatible mode. Duos or squads work best because Fortnite restricts split screen in some playlists. After choosing, make sure you adjust display and audio quickly in settings so each player's view and voice chat levels are balanced. This prevents one player from being too loud or off-screen. Then invite any additional players or fill slots, and confirm both players press ready. Split screen will activate at match selection when the lobby confirms 2 active inputs. Start the match and the screen should split automatically during loading if everything is configured correctly. You'll see 2 independent HUDs and input control. If the second player isn't detected, resync that controller first, then confirm the second account is signed in. If needed, back out to the lobby and reconnect both controllers. Make sure Xbox and Fortnite are updated. If problems persist, power cycle the console to clear temporary cache and try again, because many connection quirks resolve with a restart.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.